Hi, this is Rahil Sheikh, Area Sales Manager in Eduvate Preschools. During my tenure at Eduvate, I initially held the position of Area Sales Manager for the Mumbai region. In this role, my primary responsibility is to oversee and manage the sales operation within the designated area. Throughout this journey, I successfully adapted the change in demand and the challenges of my role. One of the significant milestones in my career at Eduvate was when I was given the opportunity to oversee the other cities of Maharashtra. The decision to pursue a career in sales is influenced by several factors which appealed to my personal interests and professional aspirations. As per my opinion, preschool era has been changed drastically as per the need of pandemic sustainability. In this era, we as Eduvate introduced digital academic implementation to cover up the crisis during pandemic. And as a result, we were in a position to assist our preschoolers for sustaining. Now post-pandemic, we have come up with the blended curriculum for betterment. So this approach is helping both ways for teachers and children to nurture skill holistically. We don't have a client, rather we have partners in this learning journey. We believe in realistic approach while committing to deliver our services with our partners. The moment we step into the school, we make sure that we have not just came to sell anything, but to build a strong and long-term relationship with them. We listen to the need and requirement and we collaborate to create a better solution. We also appreciate the valuable feedbacks from our client and we implement them when and where it is required. There are a lot of competitors in the preschool market who talk on lower pricing and offer materials rather than curriculum. Their focus area is to catch standalone preschool with lower pricing and to capture more region on quantity basis. As we in Eduvate believes in quality implementation, so we give more value to our experiential learning, ERP program and curriculum followed by NEP. So the focus always remain quality to create the bright future which keep us one step ahead from our rivals. Being a curriculum partner, we don't just provide curriculum, but we also take care of the implementation that help our partner to grow their reach and affect many lives for betterment of tomorrow. Thank you.